Where is the magic? We learn that we have so much with us. But where is the magic inside us? How we can bring change? We can change the way we want it. Where is Khajana? The Khajana, how it is? The people, all meditators say, go inside, search. No. There are two aspects. One aspect is the knowledge of. Now, inside us, we hold inside us the world. And that world makes us to function. Some things we don't like, some things we like. But the intelligence part of us is that we can avoid, we can totally delete from our system that which we don't want. And we can increase our energies, increase our joys, increase the wonders of why we are born. So much. So we can increase that. So how to do it? This is called submodalities. In us, we should know it's called driver submodalities. See, in the vehicle, in whatever vehicle we drive, let us take a car. There are gears in it. First gear, second gear, third gear, neutral gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Reverse also there is a gear. But all are necessary. In the human mind, it has become necessary. You should have all the gears. What for? To achieve mobility, to drive from one place to the other. We are all traveling from one place to another. Maybe our age, if you see, we were born, we were traveling to certain end. Here we have a facility, it is called driver submodalities inside us. What it is? Now if you observe by closing your eyes, only thing is this is meditative exercise which you have to do. Find out what is really making your life difficult, what is making your life easy. When I learned this, how did I learn? By observing. We had a nice one gentleman by name Janki Ram. He was principal of HL Staff College. I used to tell, I wash my car and I love to keep it shiny. He heard it. Then he asked, repeat, what did you say? You wash your car, I don't want to wash my car. He has a problem. He doesn't want to wash his car. Or he doesn't get a motivation, a drive to clean his car. He gets the problem. There are two people. One fellow enjoys his car kept clean and he feels proud of it. Other fellow, he has got his car, he doesn't want to clean it. He doesn't have the pride. So he asked me, he is an NLP master, he asked me, what do you do? How do you make your car clean and feel happy? I don't like to touch my car. I told him, what I do is, first I see the car. You see, when you observe me, you will see inside what programming driver submodality functioning in me. When I see my car, first my car is white car, paint. I see a lot of dirt, dust. So the car is covered with lot of dirt. Then I say, oh my God, it is my car. A lot of dust, dirt is there. So I want to clean it. What I do, I take a bucket of water. Then there are many methods of cleaning it. Now I clean it. After cleaning, I look at the car. I bring the shine in that. How the shine is a reflection? My car is shining. When I see the shining of my car, I get shining. So this gentleman, Jankaram said, look here, your submodality is shining. Get the point? Driver submodality. Then I found I have a driver submodality of moving. I like movement. Like what? I like to drive my vehicle. I don't like even sitting in an aeroplane and take off. I love it. Because in my brain, I have developed a program of movement. You get the point? So, first of all, we have to find out what driver submodalities our brain is functioning. This is, we have learned, we have learned this without anybody teaching. Please know that. Nobody has taught us. But still it comes. But when we become aware of this, then start experimenting inside your registrations, inside. The pictures you are holding inside, the sounds you are holding inside. For example, I will give an example. Early morning you are in the bed, you don't want to get up. But another mind you are told, I want to get up. Put one drum beats. You see Republic Day parade, military band. Put one military band inside, loud band, and what happens? What happens? How you still want to like to be in the bed? I don't think so. So here you have facility of creating a world as you want. So what I request is you start experimenting with this. Let us say we have a unwanted experience. How to make it not function? Make it dark. Make it so dark that you can't see it.
Brightness, darkness.
See, what we do is, we are not aware, we make it brighter. For example, I don't like one person. I don't like one person. But that photograph is inside me. You take that photograph, you can scratch it. One method. You can burn it. Another is dim the light inside. See, after all, it is my camera, my registration, it is my vehicle, it is my brain. And what am I doing with it? I am suffering. It is funny, no? You have $1 billion in your pocket and you are suffering from it. It's nonsense. So what you do is, go inside, take that photo. You want to make it fun, make him a joker. In the circus there will be a joker, no? Draw one picture inside. Put a cap on him, draw mush, put one red thing on.
Daughter-in-law can do it to the mother-in-laws.
just laugh. Instead of suffering.
Break the punk.
So this is how, this is called submodality changes. So this, you can take it, you go home and lie down and then just experiment. For me, every moment is a turning point. Because my day is not well spent without learning. I look for opportunities everywhere. I read good books. I meet good people. I want to have good food. I wear good dress. I want to have good things in life. I attract good things. I want to have good time.
You had it.
I love it. I love it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So